Alright, so you have successfully installed Python and Visual Studio Code as I showed in my previous video. Now let's get started with some essential tips to make your coding experience smoother. The first thing you should do is enable autosave. This feature automatically saves your work as you type so that you don't have to worry about hitting save every time you make a change. To turn it on, go to the VS Code setting page, search for autosave. From the drop down menu, select after delay. This will save your program automatically after you pause typing for a moment, saving you time and preventing lost work. VS Code supports thousands of extensions to add features and to improve your workflow. Some are created by Microsoft while others are from third parties. You can install any extension you like, but here are a few I recommend for Python development. Python by Microsoft. It adds features like code completion, linting, debugging, and more. Pylase for fast and powerful type checking and code analysis. And Python debugger. You can adjust the font size to your liking. Go to settings, search for font size, and set it to whatever is comfortable for you. You can also customize cursor style and animation. VS Code also lets you change its look and feel. Choose from built in themes or install new ones from the extension marketplace. Popular options include Peacock, Prettier, and Indent Rainbow. Try a few and pick the one that fits your vibes. On the right side of the editor, you will see the minimap, a small preview of your file. If you don't like it, right click on the scroll bar and uncheck minimap to turn it off. Personally, I find it helpful for navigating large files, but it's up to you. Try to use the keyboard shortcut instead of your mouse. It will save you a lot of time. Now go look up some keyboard shortcut on the internet and I will see you in the next one.